Well, in the old section of Jefferson City, we have a new business opening up. And Big Zack, it was the first day, but I didn't quite get down here in time to get into their shop, I don't think. Slowly, we're having people. Yeah, there's a lot of people in there right now. Southern Charm by Ashley. And got a whole new store, brand new opening. I'm gonna take a peek quickly. And there is Ashley in her new store. I'm gonna take a look quick tour if you don't mind. Just opened up today, didn't you?
Today,
This
yeah.
is your first day.
First day, we had a grand opening from 10 to 5.
Oh, wonderful. And I snuck in after 5.
You did. VIP?
If you're downtown Jeff City, got some very unique little items. Looks to be all handmade. Anyway, we now have another new store in downtown Jeff City. This is Ron Rubel in Jefferson City, Tennessee.